We'll take out our pink, and the pink, again, you hold it in the same way, and you're squeezing with your fingers in the palm of your hand. You're holding with your thumb and the edge of your hand there. And again, you just want to squeeze out a little and clean off the tip. Remember, this is the one that we didn't use. We just used a disposable bag. We didn't use the special tip, and it still works just as well. Now, if you want to practice, I always find it's good to practice a little bit on a piece of paper until you get the right look and the right size, and just kind of get an idea of how you're going to finish or make your design. And once you feel confident about doing it on the paper, then you do it on your cookie or your cake or whatever you're decorating. And once you feel confident about doing it on the paper, then you do it on your cookie or your cake or whatever you're decorating. And we'll make a nice heart right here on this piece. Another method is to take a knife and just score your cookie with the design before you do the frosting, and that will also guide you. So if you're afraid you're going to make mistakes with the decorating. And now I'm just going to make a little arrow with my red. And sticking out of the heart like this. Okay, and to finish off the cookie, I'm going to separate our pieces a little because I don't want the frosting on the edge to make the cookie stick together. So I'm going to finish up by just squeezing out a little line about 1/4 inch wide all along the edge of the cookie, just on the outside edge of the cookie, not the inside cut puzzle pieces, just the outside edge of the cookie. Just put a little bit of icing like that. Now you can finish with that, or you can take some nice little sprinkles, and while you have to do it quickly while the icing is still wet, and just sprinkle on a little extra color. Okay, and just continue that with the rest of your puzzle pieces, and you'll knock off these extra pieces of nonpareil after it dries a little bit. And just continue on with the rest of your puzzle pieces. When you've finished your trim, we'll just let this dry overnight so that the royal icing gets really nice and hard and nothing will stick when we put it in our packaging. Let's go finish our packaging.